Welcome to our channel where we uncover the mysteries of the universe. Today, we will be diving deep into the unknown facts about all the planets in our solar system except for our very own planet Earth. Let's explore. Mercury. Mercury is a fascinating planet that has many unique characteristics. Did you know that despite being the closest planet to the Sun, it does not have the hottest temperature in our solar system? That's because Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat, which causes its temperature to fluctuate rapidly. During the day, it can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night, it can drop down to negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of only 3032 miles. It is also one of the most heavily cratered planets, with impact craters covering much of its surface. These craters were formed by asteroids and comets that collided with the planet billions of years ago. Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it is similar in size, mass, and composition. However, it is also known as the hottest planet in our solar system, with an average temperature of 864 degrees Fahrenheit. This is due to its thick atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, which traps heat on the surface. Venus also has the longest day of all the planets, with one day lasting 243 Earth days. Venus is covered in dense clouds that reflect a lot of sunlight, making it the brightest object in the sky after the Sun and the Moon. These clouds are made up of sulfuric acid and can cause acid rain on the planet's surface. Despite its inhospitable conditions, Venus has been the subject of many missions by space agencies, including NASA's recent Parker Solar Probe, which flew past the planet to study its atmosphere. Mars. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has always fascinated humans because of its distinctive red color. But did you know that Mars has the largest volcano in our solar system, called Olympus Mons? It stands at a towering height of over 13 miles and has a diameter of 370 miles. Mars also has the longest canyon in our solar system, called Valles Marineris, which is over 2,500 miles long and up to 4 miles deep. Mars has a thin atmosphere made up mainly of carbon dioxide, which is why it has a much colder climate than Earth. The planet also has polar ice caps made up of frozen carbon dioxide and water. In recent years, Mars has been a focus of many space missions, including NASA's Mars 2020 mission, which successfully landed the Perseverance rover on the planet's surface in February 2021. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and its size is awe-inspiring. In fact, you could fit all the other planets in our solar system inside Jupiter and still have room to spare. It also has the strongest magnetic field of any planet, which traps charged particles and causes beautiful auroras around its poles. Jupiter has over 80 moons, with 4 of them being large enough to see with binoculars or a small telescope. Jupiter's most iconic feature is its Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for over 300 years. The storm is larger than the size of Earth and is accompanied by smaller storms and turbulence in the planet's atmosphere. Jupiter is also known for its complex cloud patterns, which are caused by strong winds that blow in different directions at different altitudes. Saturn. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings made up of rock, ice, and dust. But did you know that these rings are not permanent features of the planet? They are constantly changing, with new ring material being added and old material being lost. Saturn also has the second largest moon in our solar system, called Titan, which has its own atmosphere and weather patterns. Saturn is similar in composition to Jupiter, with a thick atmosphere made up mainly of hydrogen and helium. The planet has a hexagonal-shaped storm at its north pole, which is caused by the interaction of strong winds and the planet's rotation. Saturn's interior is believed to have a rocky core surrounded by layers of liquid metallic hydrogen and helium. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and is unique because it rotates on its side. This means that its poles are located where the equator is on most other planets. Uranus is also known for its pale blue-green color, which is caused by the presence of methane in its atmosphere. The planet has a faint ring system and 27 known moons. Uranus has an extremely cold climate, with temperatures dropping down to -371 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet's atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, but it also has small amounts of methane and other gases. Uranus's unusual orientation is believed to have been caused by a collision with a large object early in its history. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and is known for its beautiful blue color, which is caused by the presence of methane in its atmosphere. It has the strongest winds of any planet in our solar system, with gusts reaching up to 1,200 miles per hour. Neptune also has a large, dark spot on its surface, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune has 14 known moons, the largest of which is Triton. Triton is unique because it is the only large moon in our solar system that orbits in the opposite direction of its planet's rotation. Neptune's interior is believed to be composed of a rocky core surrounded by layers of ice, water, and gases. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the solar system. We hope you learned something new about our neighboring planets. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the mysteries of the universe. Until next time.